call your mother? What's your mother? I don't even know who your phone is.
Austria.
Australia.
I'll send it there.
Oh, fuck! I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Just throw a mouse.
Where's the mouse? Oh my god, where's the mouse?
It's right there on the table.
Oh, don't be fucking dumbass. See? That's on.
Okay.
I gotta do it. Ow! I gotta pee. Can I use the bathroom? Yeah. I gotta pee really bad. Whoa, whoa!
Oh,
I'm sorry, I almost really hit the door like on accident. I'm okay.
right.
Follow me now, you soccer guy. Thanks, you're just holding the camera. What's in here?
The pantry. Food.
I'm in the closet.
Giggity.
Where'd you go?
It might help if you turned on the light.
Where's that at?
You can see. Holy crap. Eyeballs.
Oh god, there's a step off there. When did you tell me there's a step there?
I thought you knew.
It's shiny. It's shiny. Kristen? Watch this. Seriously, watch this. It's skipping! Ready?
You okay?